In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Coda EO Dark Mode. If you've ever found bright screens tiring, or you just prefer a sleek, low-light look, Dark Mode can make working in Coda more comfortable and focused. I'll walk you through 3 simple ways to switch themes, and I'll add tips so you always know where to click, no matter where you are in Coda. First, let's talk about using your profile menu. Depending on where you are, that menu appears in different places. If you're on the workspace home, look to the lower left corner and click your profile photo or initials. If you're inside a dock, the same profile control lives in the upper right corner. Clicking it opens a small menu that controls personal settings and preferences. This is your quickest doorway to theme controls when you're already navigating around the app. As soon as the menu opens, Coda updates the setting immediately after you make your choice, so you'll see the interface shift without needing to reload the page. Next, within that same profile menu, hover over the appearance option to reveal theme choices. Select dark to switch the interface to a dark color scheme. The change applies right away across the Coda surface you're working in, including menus, sidebars, and your docks. If you want to go back later, return to Appearance and choose Light, or use the same menu to keep experimenting until you find what feels best for your environment. If you don't see Appearance right away, try moving your cursor over the menu items slowly. Some options expand on hover. Also, make sure you're signed in and not viewing a published doc in a restricted mode, since personal appearance preferences live in your account context. Finally, there's a power move when your head's down in a document. The slash command. Inside any doc, type / followed by dark mode. You'll see a quick action appear. Confirm it to toggle the setting instantly. This is perfect when you're presenting, working late, or jumping between lighting conditions and don't want to hunt through menus. If the command doesn't appear, check your typing, ensure you're in an editable context, and try again. A quick recap as you practice. Open your profile menu from the corner that matches where you are. Use Appearance to set dark, or type /dark mode in any dock for a rapid toggle. Pick the path that fits your workflow and enjoy a calmer, clearer Coda experience.